sheets at a place which is known as dashboard. We can place n number of sheets in a single place which is known as dashboard. And dashboard components we have like horizontal, vertical, image, web page, text and blank page. First we are going to discuss like vertical. Whenever we need to place the sheets in vertical format, we are going to make use of vertical. And horizontal. Whenever we need to place the sheets in the horizontal format, we are going to make use of horizontal component. And we have image. If I need to add any external images to the dashboard, by the help of image component, we can add in dashboard. Web page means basically each and every time we have seen in actions, we have seen URL action. Once if I am going to apply some URL action by clicking on some field, by clicking on some sheet, automatically it will navigate to that URL or that web page. But here in web page, in dashboard level, they want to get that web page into dashboard itself. If we need to show the web page at dashboard level, at dashboard visualization level, by the help of web page, it can be possible. By the help of web page, it can be possible. It can be possible. And after completion of this text and blank page, if I need to add some description or anything by the help of text, I can add. If I need to add any description about the dashboard visualization, I can add by the help of text we can add. If I need to add any description about the dashboard visualization, it can be possible. It can be possible. It can be possible by text. It can be possible by text. And then we have blank page. Blank page is nothing but it's an empty page. It's an empty page, and we will drag this blank page. Then we are going to drag text above the blank page. It's an empty page. Once we need to write text, we are going to once we need to write text we will make use of blank page. We will make use of blank page. Above that blank page we are going to drag text. Above that blank page we will drag text and we will give some description. We will drag text and we will add some description. This is what exactly about this all the 6 components what we have. And here we have new objects will be there. Tiled is nothing but it should be a fixed element. It should be a fixed element. Here once we are going to make use of tile, whatever sheets you are going to drag, all the sheets should be fixed. You cannot change, you cannot resize. By the help of tile, by using tile we cannot resize the sheets are in. We cannot by using the tile we cannot resize the sheets. We cannot resize the sheets or dashboard components. It should be fixed. We can call it as a static also. We can call as static. Once we have used style, we cannot resize the sheets or anything. Floating is nothing but it should be dynamic. We can call as a dynamic. If by using floating, if I need to resize the sheets, it can be possible by the help of floating. It can be possible by using floating. This is what exactly about this. Until now layout is nothing but just whatever we are using the sheets and each and everything, we are going to get all the fields in a layout what we have in the dashboard area. And here we have different types of dashboard sizes will be there, and by the help of this sizes folder we are going to get each and everything. This is what exactly we have the dashboard component. Once if it is going to complete, then we can see the different types of dashboard types will be there. First, we are going to see this how we can use of components and how we can make use of new objects and what exactly layout and what exactly dashboard. Here we have all these things like first of all, before going to dashboard, we need to create some sheets. Then we can make as a dashboard should be looks good. If I'm going to take state-wise sales, I can take. Then if I'm going to take something known as like subcategory wise sales, and I'm going to drag the subcategory into visualization for looking good. Then I'm going to make use of region wise, ship mode wise, profits, ship mode wise. No, it should be ship date. I'm going to take ship mode wise, sales or profit. I can take. Then I'm going to drag region into visualization level, which should be color. I'm going to color, and I'm going to create likewise if I want something other thing what we have segment wise and category wise segment wise sales. I can take, I can color code the visualization with category. Likewise, we got each and everything, and I'm going to arrange all these things in dashboard. Here I'm going to make one dashboard. I'm going to drag. Here by using new object should be tile. Once if I'm going to drag this, if I need to resize this, we cannot here by we don't have any option like if here first we can remove this. If once we are going to resize, if we are going to drag, it is not going to be, we cannot rechange the resize. Whatever we have, we cannot resize the visualization. It should be fixed. By dragging other field, we can automatically it is going to be adjusted. But from our side, we cannot drag anything. It should be fixed. That is known as what we have new object. It should be tile means it should be fixed automatically. Whatever you are going to drag into visualization level, it is going to be fixed at that visualization level itself, and that which comes under tile. And if it is floating means, suppose if I'm going to take another dashboard, I'm going to make use of floating. If I'm going to drag any sheet, I can resize as per my selection. I can resize the all the sheets. Whatever I need to make use, I'm going to resize. Whatever we have, I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to resize which size we want actually. What exactly? How we can place this all these things? We're going to resize the fields how we want and what exactly how to place all these things. We can resize as per our selection. We can resize it all the fields. Whatever we have the field, we can resize. Here, if I want to, I can resize likewise each and every field. If I need to resize, resize, resize. So we are going to resize the whatever we have. Here we have some option will be there. Fit to entire view will be there. If you are going to click, it is going to fit with the entire view. But if it is going to give the all the values, but it is going to fit. For that purpose, we are not going to fit with entire view. Here we are going to get the entire view values. Whatever the values we have, there is no need of drop down to go down to see the values. Here I am going to adjust this should be there, and as per our selection we can adjust by the help of floating. By the help of floating we can adjust whatever however we need to adjust. I can adjust as per the selection. I can adjust. This can be possible by the help of floating. That is what exactly here. Floating is nothing but it should be a dynamic change we can make, and tile is nothing but it should be fixed. Once we have dragged the sheets, it should be fixed. And we have seen layout now. Whatever we have used in visualization, dashboard visualization, we are going to get into dashboard layout. We have used like sheet 3, sheet 2 and sheet 1. Automatically it has been added to dashboard layout. And here we are giving the different sizes. If it is desktop, here we have different will be there. As per that automatically it is going to change. As per whatever you are going to give, as per that it is going to give you the some size. And whenever you are going to work with project, on the time they are going to let you know how to use all these things. But default you are going to make use of dashboard and use the all these things. Here we have some drop down will be there. Here by selecting this size sheet also we can give the size as per. If you know the sizes you can give directly. There is no need of increasing or decreasing from this level. You can, by selecting this sheet, you can give the size, how what size you want. You can give directly from here. This level also you can give the size. After completion of this all these things, we have something, dashboard title will be there. Here if we have,
I have one doubt.
yes,
Like which object we normally use mostly in real time?
like you are going to use floating.
Floating.
Yes. Here, whatever you have, some other field should be show title will be there. If you are going to make use of show title, it is going to come the dashboard title. Here, we are going to get some title will be there. If I'm going to give some title, whatever we have seen in formatting, I can give this story. This dashboard is related to, like I can give like whatever sheets we have used, like top and bottom, or we can give country wise sales will be there, or state wise sales. Like just we are going to give the title for that state wise, state of sales, state wise sales will be there, we can give. Then if you need to color code, we can color code with some other color, then apply, then okay, and we are going to get. Here it has been merged with that statewide sales. I'm going to drag somewhat down. Then we got the dashboard title will be there. Likewise, we are going to use the tile and floating and layout and dashboard sizes or show title each and everything. And we have not seen the dashboard components. What we have: horizontal, image, vertical, and all these things. I'm going to create one more dashboard, then I'm going to show how it is going to use. Here horizontal, if I'm going to, whenever you are going to take tile, just by taking horizontal and vertical use the tile. Then but for taking the sheets, make use of floating always. Tile, drag something should be here. Then go for floating. Then drag the sheets how you need to place. If you are going to place, if I'm going to remove, if it is in tiled only means we are going to get. If I'm going to take some sheet should be in this level. If I'm going to take some other sheet should be in this level. And if I'm going to take some other sheets and some other sheets, it is going to place, it should be in that format. And after this, it's going to be fixed. Each and everything, it should be fixed what we have seen. All the dashboard components, what we have, it should be fixed with that. If you need to remove, as if there should be one question will be there, how to increase the dashboard performance will be there. By eliminating the unknown values in dashboard visualization, we are going to make some quick filters, parameters, each and everything will be there. Whatever we require at dashboard level, we are going to use that fields only. Whatever we are feeling like unwanted fields, what each and every field, whatever we are going to get at sheet level, automatically it is going to reflect at dashboard level. But we need to understand which fields are auto we require basically, then which field we don't require. Whatever we don't require, we are going to eliminate that fields, and what we require, we are going to keep that fields in the dashboard area to increase the performance. Likewise, we are going to make use. Now we are going to see, and this all these things what we have components going for, and we have drag horizontal. Then if I'm going to drag image means just we are going to add the image for that. If I'm going to add image, I can add the image for overall, because it should be in tile. I cannot resize that image. It should be fixed with that image. For that purpose, always whenever we are going to make use, it should be floating. Whenever you are using some dashboard components, if I'm going to make use of some floating, I'm going to add this image, then I can resize that image, because mostly they're going to add company logos. Depends on their company, whatever we are doing the dashboard for which company project, they're going to add the logo images will be there. They are going to drag into upper side, and they're going to place some their company logos, and they're going to give some URL action will be there here. Set URL. Once they are going to click on this image, automatically it need to navigate for their company website. Likewise, they are going to give. And if I'm going to set URL means right click on image, and you have an option on a set URL. Here, if you are going to give some URL, www dot whatever URL you are going to give, google.com. automatically it is going to redirect to there. If once you are going to click on this image, it is going to redirect it to Google image. They are going to redirect from in real time. They are going to give their company logo. We are going to place their company logo or that products related things. Then once we are going to click on that, automatically it will navigate to target page. If once I am clicking, automatically it is going to open the Google page what we have. Likewise, it is going to make sure to work. And we have something known as text or blank page. Blank page is nothing but empty page where we are going to make use. I'm going to drag above the blank page. I'm going to drag and I'm going to give some description. This dashboard is related to sales. This dashboard is related to sales. Then I'm going to add this. I'm going to copy all these things. If I need to do some formatting, you can do some formatting. Then okay. Because why we are going to place that should be above of the blank page means it looks better. There should be each and everything should be better. Always whenever you are going to write this text, we need to make use of blank page and we need to drag the text above the blank page and we can give some description. And finally, we have something known as web page. Web page is nothing but there is no need to go for visualization like a browser level to check the URL. By the help of web page, if I'm going to give something www.google.com, google.com, I'm going to get that page into our dashboard level itself. If whatever I am going to search in this browser, automatically I will get each and everything in this dashboard level itself. Why we are where we are going to use means suppose we have some n number of products will be there. If we don't know the images of that products and to check for each and everything, we are going to browser itself, we are going to check, or if you need check about some products will be there. On the time we are going to make use of web page. If whatever I am entering, like if I need to know something about tableau.com I can get from this level itself. If I'm going to entering, I'm going to get tableau.com. I can open, I'm going to get the set whatever we have this all these things I'm going to get at this level itself. I can see there is no need to go for browser to check the values. If whatever we have products like Tableau desktop server, online, mobile, public, reader, each and everything we are going to get in this level, and all these things we are going to get. This is how we are going to make use. If I need to see something related to Tableau conference, if I'm going to click each and everything, no, it is not. They have given some hyperlink. If hyperlink means it is going to navigate, but whatever we have remaining like related things about the Google search, automatically we are going to get all the values, browsers and all these things. At this level itself, we are going to get all these things. This is what exactly about the web page. We are going to make use of web page to get the exact all the results. We are going to use web page. And
Uh, uh, we
yes,
can only use blank and text combinedly. We
yes,
cannot use them as a single object, right?
like we need to use blank and text. We
Both
can,
the things. Otherwise, we cannot use it in a single.
no, you can use. There is no problem. We can use like directly. I can drag the text. I can write any text. It will give the text, but for better visualization, always it should be above the blank page. Then it should be looks good. Nothing more than this. We
Okay.
can add. We got that. But for better recommended way should be we need to keep text should be on blank page.
Okay.
Likewise, we are going to make use of each and every component what we have in the visualization here. Horizontal, image, vertical, web page, text, blank, each and everything. And after completion of this, we are going to use this component should be, we will use in every dashboard, we are going to use the components to get the exact results of dashboard. And we have discussed something types of dashboard will be there in here. We have discussed some types of dashboard will be there. Here we have five types of dashboard will be there, starting with detailed dashboard. Next, where it is going to start with master detailed dashboard and multi-master dashboard and a hiding dashboard and index dashboard. Whatever we have, first one should be detailed dashboard, and second one should be master detailed dashboard, and third one should be multi-master dashboard, and fourth one should be hiding dashboard, and fifth one should be index dashboard. We need to know each and every dashboard how we are going to make use and how to build. Here, this all the dashboard we need to understand. First, detailed dashboard. Detailed dashboard is nothing but just we are going to place all the sheets in a dashboard which is known as detailed dashboard. Just I am going to drag all the sheets, whatever sheets we have, I am going to drag all the sheets in a dashboard which is known as detailed dashboard. I am going to drag all the sheets, whatever we have sheets, that which comes under detailed dashboard. I'm not going to apply anything here. Just I'm going to drag all whatever I have the sheets. I'm going to select some sheets will be there from this level itself. I'm going to remove this. I can remove, and we have some regions will be there. No, control Z, and we have some regions will be there. I'm removing, and we have this region will be there. Remove this. Likewise, we have all these things and increase some visualization. If for this, if I need to increase some visualization, if you are going to click on here, if you are going to increase from this 333 will be there, make it as 600, then enter. Then automatically it has been changed. If make it as 400, then enter, then it has been changed, and make it as 350 because you need to understand which size is going to suitable. Then here increase this to 400, then enter. Then we got some visualization because if we need to drag, it is going to be difficult for us. Directly you can enter from this level also. If sheet 5, if you are going to give some same thing, like you are going to enter here 350 and enter, then drag, it should be like if you are going to give some 400, then enter. Automatically it has been increased. Then you can give some other 400 also because we have some space will be there, 400. Then it has been added. Likewise from this level also I can change the resize. I can resize from this level, and I can resize from visualization level. I can resize. Just arranging the sheets in a dashboard is known as detailed dashboard. We are not going to give any actions. We are not going to do anything. Just we are going to arranging the fields, whatever fields we have in the sheet level, just we are arranging in a dashboard which is known as detailed dashboard. Whatever we are going to done at visualization level, automatically it is going to reflect at dashboard level. If I have here sheet names, sheet 5, sheet 3, sheet 6, and I'm going to give some titles for each and every sheet. In sheet 1, I'm going sheet 2, I'm have used from sheet 3. I'm going to give some title worksheet, click on show title, and I'm going to give some title should be which is known as, I'm going to give state wise sales, state wise sales. I have got state wise sales, and select this all these things. Then we're going to get apply, then okay. This is same title, it has been reflected at dashboard level. If you're going, automatically it has been reflected dashboard level. And same way I need to add for each and everything subcategory wise sales, all the title, worksheet, show title, and I am going to give some title should be subcategory wise sales. I can give subcategory wise sales. Just I am going to give, because our work, total work we are going to based on dashboard development only, it is going to take more and more time for us. And fifth should be region wise, ship mode wise sales, show title, and click on, double click on this, and click on region wise, and region, like here I'm going to remove region wise, ship mode wise sales will be there. I can make it some other different color and apply. Okay. And fourth sheet, what we have used segment wise category, segment and category wise sales. I can give some title, segment and category. Here I'm going to remove this segment and category wise sales, category wise sales will be there, and I'm going to assign color for this. And if I need to increase some font, we can increase the font for this. And if I need to give some like here, if I want some other font, like I am going to give some Arial badge, then apply, then okay, go for dashboard level. Each and everything has been added at this level. Just arranging the fields, all the fields in dashboard, which is known as detailed dashboard. Like detailed dashboard is nothing but just we are going to arranging where we are placing all the sheets in dashboard. We will call as we will call as detailed dashboard. We will call as detailed dashboard will be there. And here, whenever we are going to make use of detailed dashboard, we are going to get we and all the sheets, whatever we have sheets, it is going to reflect at the layout, whatever sheets we have applied. After completion of this detailed dashboard, we have something known as master detailed dashboard. Master detailed dashboard is nothing but we have one master and three other things should be detailed. If I'm going to take this as a duplicate dashboard, click on this, then I'm going to get some duplicate dashboard. Sheet 5, it should be same dashboard, and sheet 6 is the same dashboard will be there. Master detail means if I'm going to click on master, it need to reflect on all the remaining three should be detailed. Likewise, I want if I'm going to press on state, any state, it need to give subcategory wise sales, region wise, ship mode wise sales, and segment wise, category wise sales. That is what actually our requirement. For that purpose, I need to give some actions. I need to make one sheet should be master and remaining all should be sheet should be detailed. If I'm going to make likewise, I'm going to make use of worksheet. I'm going to apply some actions because this is not the worksheet level. This is the dashboard level and go for dashboard, apply actions. Here if I'm going to action, we know all the action like filter action, highlight action and URL action. In filter action in dashboards we need to apply in dashboard 6. In dashboard 6 select only whatever sheet should be there, that is like it has been not reflected here. Names is going to come at dashboard level. These names, if we need to get these names here, like what we have like state wise sales and subcategory wise sales, and go for here this level, here we need to rename sheet like state wise sales, state wise sales. Then here go here, rename like subcategory wise sales, subcategory wise, subcategory wise sales. And here go here and rename region wise, ship mode wise sales, region wise, and here rightly rename region wise, ship mode wise sales. And sixth one should be something segment and category wise sales, rename as segment and category wise sales will be there. Then if I'm going for dashboard level, once you are going to apply some actions will be there, like we are applying some action at sheet 6. If I'm going for dashboard and actions, add action, filter action. Now we got all the names like region wise, ship mode wise sales, segment wise and all these things. Take state-wise sales and remove remaining all these things, and here option should be select, and we need to give run on single select only. By the helping of this thing, run on single select, it is going to run that action on only state-wise sales. And in dashboard 6 give the action, remove the state-wise sales and give the action for all the remaining three. Then okay, sorry, then okay. Okay. If I'm going to click on this any state, it is going to reflect for all the remaining sheets. Automatically that values has been changing. If you need to see the values, first of all we need to go here and click on ABC each and every here. Click on ABC and click on ABC, and we here it, so we have click on ABC all these things and come for dashboard level. If we are going to click in this level and all these things we are going to automatically we are going to get the values depends on this. We will get the values for each and everything region wise and all these things we will get the output here. If I'm going to dive somewhat down, if I'm going to click here, automatically values is going to be changed and it is going to give the output for us. And this should be one should be master, remaining all three should be detail. This is known as master detail. If I'm going to click on remaining all the fields, if I'm going to click on this, it is not going to reflect at anyone. Just it should be detailed. Just it should we have not given any action as well as it is not going to be replicated with any of the sheets. Just only one master we have and remaining all should be detail will be there. By clicking one sheet, it is going to reflect for all the remaining things. That type of dashboard we are going to call as master detail dashboard. Here we are going to see master detail dashboard will be there. We will apply actions by selecting one sheet as master, one sheet as master and remaining all the sheets should be detail, should be detail. Here by clicking on master we will get some action, we will get some reflection. By using master we will get some reflections on on detail sheets. If you are going to if we are using detail sheets we'll get it will not change the it will not change the remaining all the sheets, remaining all the sheets. It is not going to affect for remaining all the sheets, that which comes under master detail dashboard. This is how we are going to make use of master detail dashboard and detail dashboard. And we have some other thing which is known as multi master dashboard, and this all these things should be somewhat important. I feel it is not going to complete in 10 minutes like multi master dashboard, and we need to discuss because each and every dashboard should be important to discuss each and everything. And till here whatever we have seen from dashboard onwards, where we are going to place a number of sheets and we have dashboard components and we have dashboard types and all these things. Till here you have any doubt?
No, no doubts.
Like just do some practice on that as well as because if I'm going to start it is not going